Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to change your display name for your Snapchat account. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So, display name is how you will appear when someone searches for you on Snapchat. To change your display name on Snapchat, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Then tap on your profile photo at the top left of the screen. Now on this screen, tap on your name. This will open up the edit screen where you will be able to edit your name. In this box, type in your new name. Note, this is how you will appear on Snapchat, so pick a name that your friends or family are familiar with. Then press save. And that is how to change your display name on Snapchat. If you have any questions for me, then please do not forget to add it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.